To use a credit card in Google Pay, start by opening the Google Pay app on your device. If you do not have the app, download it from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Once the app is open, tap on the plus sign or the Add Card option to begin the process of adding your credit card. You will be asked to take a photo of your credit card or manually enter the card details. If you choose to take a photo, ensure the card is on a flat surface and well lit. The app will automatically detect the card number, expiration date, and security code. If you prefer to enter the details manually, type in the card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering the card details, review the terms and conditions. Then tap Agree to Terms. You may be asked to verify your card by receiving a verification code sent by your bank. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Once your credit card is added, you can use Google Pay to make transactions. To do this, wake up your device and unlock it. Then hold the back of your device near the contactless payment terminal. You will see a check mark on the screen when the transaction is successful. You can also use Google Pay to make online transactions by selecting Google Pay as the payment method during checkout. To ensure the security of your credit card, always keep your device and Google Pay app up to date. Use a secure lock screen and monitor your account activity regularly. You can also remove your credit card from Google Pay at any time by going to the app settings and selecting the Remove Card option. By following these steps, you can easily use your credit card in Google Pay and take advantage of the convenience and security it offers. Remember to always review the terms and conditions and verify your card to ensure a smooth transaction process.